I am nearly 30 weeks pregnant, and we are definitely beginning to switch into nesting mode, so why not give the nursery a good clean? I start by wiping down all surfaces with TrulyFree multi-surface cleaner and wood polish. I'm focusing on high-touch areas like the bassinet, windows, shelves, and floor space. Next up, laundry, your baby's first line of defense. Pro tip, traditional laundry detergents are packed with irritants. TrulyFree's plant-based laundry wash removes 99.9% of potential allergens, harsh chemical residues, and potential skin irritants. I wash all baby items, clothes, bedding, even stuffed animals in TrulyFree laundry wash before first use. Unlike other natural brands, TrulyFree uses 100% plant-based ingredients, zero harsh chemicals, has a hypoallergenic formulation, and is safe for sensitive baby skin. Bonus, it's budget-friendly. Most parents spend hundreds on baby-safe products, but with TrulyFree, you're getting professional-grade cleaning at a fraction of the cost. Creating a non-toxic home isn't just about cleaning, it's about giving your baby the healthiest start possible. Go ahead and drop a comment below. What's your biggest concern about keeping a clean and safe home for your little one? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.